Hello. So our today's question is, a tuning fork is used to produce resonance in a glass tube. The length of the air column of the tube can be adjusted by a variable piston. At the room temperature of 27 degrees Celsius, two successive resonances are produced at 20 centimeter and 73 centimeter. So the column length of the column length. If the frequency of the tuning fork is 320 Hz, what is the velocity of sound in air at 27 degrees Celsius? So here we can find out that the length that we have to find is 73 minus 20. So the effective length will be 53 centimeters. Okay, so now we have lambda, which is equal to 106 centimeters. That's just the double of it. Now V equals to lambda F. So lambda equals to 106 and the frequency is equal to 100 into 320. So from all this we get our value, that is V equals to 339 meter per second. That's option 2.